You're a superhero. Yeah. Unknown Brain, Marvin Divine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating.
Hi guys, my name is ₦ Please subscribe ₦Graphics channel. In this video we are going to create gold particle intro. Please watch this video till end. I will meet you at the end of the video.
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you frowning, see you looking down and out, coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it, you so easily influenced. All the times you told me beat it, now you gotta face the music. I'm saying
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games, yeah. I know that I found somebody else to love me one day, and you'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye.
Guys, today I have one tricky riddle for you. You can give the answer in comment box. The question is, if you drop me, I'm sure to crack, but give me a smile and I'll always smile back. What am I? Love you guys. See you in next video.